When you're installing a window, it's actually easy for it to get off pattern. So just take extra care at the beginning when installing it, that you get it lined up at the top and towards the bottom with your helper.
That's what I'm here for.
So you'll want to install the panel until you get to the trim, and you'll install and get it nice and tight up against the trim. And you're actually going to cut as you go around the trim. So you're going to work down, or else the wallpaper won't form around it like it's supposed to. So you get it laid down and installed into this corner, and then you use your knife and only cut the top edge to the edge of the trim. I had it installed down to the top of the trim, and I cut it all the way across just to the edge. And this is allowing it to fall to the side of the trim. That is allowing it to fall to the side and straight while still staying lined up. And then you'll push it into the corner. So I have it lined up along the side of the trim here, but then it goes back in, as you can see. And I need the paper to go in there, but it's getting blocked. So you'll press the wallpaper firmly into the corner, and you'll cut it down to where the trim goes back in, but you don't want to go past. And then that will allow the wallpaper to go under and into the next corner. So we're going to continue to work down by pushing the wallpaper into the corner, keeping it nice and straight. And then as we're working down, sometimes again, it's easier to just move the backing out of the way. As you can see, you can reposition it. Now I got the wallpaper installed so that the corner is all the way in there. And now I want to cut across so that I can wrap it around. But it would also help to cut the wallpaper across this way so that it releases the tension here as well. So cut it right to the edge there. And then I need to come this way. And since the window is over here, I know I don't need any of this wallpaper. So I'm going to separate it from the rest. Now, as you can see, it just allows it to fall right into that corner. And again, it needs to wrap underneath it, so you got to cut as you go down. And again, you push it up into the corner. All this area over here, the gravity is still doing the work. It's still just going straight down. You're not trying to correct it. Trim underneath and then down this side, but don't go too far. You just want to go down to the bottom of the trim, which is about right there. And we can go underneath. Like anything else, you're going to cut as you go down.